What makes your affiliate content resonate with your audience in 2025? Join me as I dive deep into the world of affiliate content and challenge myself to discover what truly resonates with audiences in 2025. As we step into 2025, the game of affiliate marketing is changing rapidly. The way we connect with our audience, the way we create content, and the way we drive sales are all evolving. And if you're not careful, your content might get lost in the noise. So what makes your affiliate content resonate with your audience? It's a question that's on every marketer's mind, and I'm here to help you find the answer. The truth is, creating content that truly resonates with your audience is a challenge, especially in today's saturated market. You're competing with thousands of other affiliates, all vying for the same attention. It's like trying to stand out in a crowded room where everyone's screaming to be heard. Your audience is bombarded with content from all sides, and it's getting harder to cut through the noise. But that's not all. The way people consume content is changing too. With the rise of social media, people are getting used to bite-sized, easily digestible content. They don't want to read long, drawn-out reviews or watch lengthy videos. They want to get to the point and they want to be entertained. So how do you create content that speaks to them, that resonates with their needs and desires? And let's not forget about the competition. You're not just competing with other affiliates, you're also competing with influencers, bloggers, and brands themselves. They're all creating content and they're all trying to get in front of your audience. So how do you stay ahead of the game? Authenticity is key to resonating with your audience. When you're genuine, when you're real, your audience can sense it. They're more likely to trust you and more likely to engage with your content. But authenticity is just the starting point. You also need to understand what your audience needs, what their pain points are, and what problems they're trying to solve. By understanding your audience, you can create content that speaks directly to them. You can use language that resonates with them and address the issues that keep them up at night. And with the rise of new technologies, you can also use data and analytics to inform your content strategy. You can see what's working, what's not, and adjust your approach accordingly. Another critical element is utilizing new technologies to enhance your content. With the rise of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality, there are more ways than ever to create immersive, engaging experiences for your audience. You can use these technologies to bring your content to life, to make it more interactive, and to create a deeper connection with your audience. But here's the thing, all these elements are important, but they're not the most critical insight. The most critical insight is that your audience wants to feel seen, heard, and understood. They want to know that you get them, that you understand their struggles, and that you're there to help. When you can create content that speaks to that desire, you'll be unstoppable. In 2025, successful affiliate marketing content will be all about creating a connection with your audience. It's not just about promoting products or services, it's about building a relationship with your audience. When you can do that, you'll build trust, loyalty, and ultimately drive sales. To sum it up, creating resonating affiliate content in 2025 is all about being authentic, understanding your audience, and utilizing new technologies. It's about creating a connection with your audience and building a relationship that drives results. So, what do you think? What makes affiliate content resonate with you? Let me know in the comments below.